Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a couple of Christmas DIYs for you guys. So I'm going to be using this old card that I have and some pipe cleaners for this. And I'm going to cut this in half. I got these at Dollar Tree, by the way. Both items are from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to turn this into a cone. And using some hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue this down so it stays together. And then I'm just going to go ahead and trim the bottom down so that it can stand up straight. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same with the other one. So next I'm going to go ahead and get my pipe cleaners. And for this I'm just going to use two colors, which is going to be the red and the silver. And for the other one I'm going to do green and red. The reason why I wanted to make something like this is for my little tray. I wanted a little pop of color and I needed something small. That way it fit in there. So that's what these are for. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue this up with some hot glue and roll it all around. Of course, you guys can change up the colors on these and do as many rows as you guys want of each color. For me, I just decided to go with mostly red and just a little bit of silver because like I said, I wanted a little pop of color, and to me, that pop of color was red. So there we have the first one, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the other one. And I actually ended up liking the green one so much better. So we are done with these, and now I'm just going to show you guys how I put my little tier tray together. The tier tray I did get at Target for $5. My little gnome is from the 99-cent store, and so is the little wreath at the top from the 99-cent store. Each of them were 99 cents. The pine cones, I can't remember if I bought those at Dollar Tree or if I picked them up from outside of my apartments. And that's it. Oh, the little greenery is from Target, and I believe it was on clearance for $1.49 or $2. And you guys can always change up your trays, and that's what I love about these. I'm most likely going to add some other little projects in there. I'm not 100% done with it. Next, I'm going to be using this box that I already had. My sister-in-law gave it to me for my birthday, filled with a lot of goodies. And so since it says trick or treat, I decided to give it a little makeover. I got this paper from Hobby Lobby, and it was only like 5 cents because it was on sale that day. And I'm just gonna go ahead and trace this. I know there's probably an easier way to do this, of course, and I don't know why I always get stuck making myself do some extra stuff. I know there's easier ways, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go with it and use my fingernails. So then once I traced it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it down so that it could fit perfectly. And because I do want to change this up throughout the seasons, I'm just going to use some hot glue to put this together. That way it easily comes right back off. Of course, if you guys want to make something permanent, I would suggest using a little bit of a stronger glue. And then I'm going to go ahead and use these 3D wood letters that I got from the 99-cent store to create some wordings on here. There's so many ways that you guys can use this in, and one of the ideas that I give you guys is as a floral arrangement basket, but I'm actually going to use it in my restroom to hold my toilet paper. And my original thought for the wording was holy crap, but I thought that was a little bit too I don't know, I didn't really feel like it was appropriate. So I went ahead and just stuck with Merry Christmas, but I wanted it to be a little funny. And then using this ribbon that I got at the 99-cent store about a year ago, or actually a year ago, making a little bow for it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tie it with this little piece of twine that I had to put it together. I was debating whether to put it on the little corner or in the middle, but I went ahead and did it in the corner because I just felt like it needed some love on the little corner. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on your post notification bell so you guys do get notified when I post new videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.